Let's go and take a listen. I think my fan's louder, to be honest with you, I really do. Welcome back to Woodwork Therapy, or if it's your first time being here, just welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing the Vevor Jewelry Polisher and Buffer. If you're tired of your jewelry lacking the dazzling shine, or if you want to give your metals a lustrous finish, then this little powerhouse is going to be definitely something you're going to want to see. Let's check it out. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beauty, the brushless motor. It's not only durable, but it's also really quiet, allowing you to focus on your work without any additional loud sounds. And here's the best part, no more hassle of replacing those carbon brushes. This unit is virtually maintenance-free. Now let's dive into the versatility of this jewelry buffer. It comes with 3 different hardness polishing wheels, perfect for all your gemstones and metals. Whether you need a rough buff surfaces, do some fine polishing, or even remove some rust, these wheels have got you covered. And by the way, this is also very, very good for roughing out a chisel if you need to do that. So there you go. Imagine having a jewelry polisher that's lightweight, compact, and can be used anywhere without taking up much space. Well, the Vevor Jewelry Polisher Buffer, you won't have to imagine that anymore. Weighing in at only about 4 pounds, it's easy to move around, whether you're a professional, working in a shop, or a hobbyist crafting DIY projects at home. Now let's talk about safety. The Vevor Jewelry Polisher Buffer has a transparent flush deflector, this little guy right here, that keeps debris at bay, protecting your eyes and face from unexpected splashes, like stuff you can get from this little guy over here in particular. Plus the adjustable tool rests, which are right down here, allow you to tackle angle grinding applications with ease. And let's not forget those non-slip feet that are located right here on the bottom, ensuring the buffer stays securely in place on any workbench. So this thing comes with an abundance of different types of items that come with it in the box, which kind of stop that whole need to run to the store right as soon as you buy it. So you got some cutting wheels, some sanding wheels, we have some different polishing wheels, we've got some buffing wheels, we got this little guy. I never ever figured out what this is for. If you know what this is for, please leave it in the comments down below. But we've got a lot of different types of accessories that come with it. Now, these all go into something that's very similar, that I'm sure a lot of us understand. These all go into this little guy here, which basically has kind of that Dremel head kind of a thing to it. So you could sit there and detail out whatever you need to detail with. I actually did polish out a ring with this already off camera. Unfortunately, that video footage got lost, but you kind of get the idea. If you've ever seen one of these in action, you know what it does and you know why that's important. This side over here, if you're wondering, this actually connects into the side, and I'll show that to you real quick. Okay, and I'll be really honest with you why I'm showing you this, because most of the videos I've seen that do demos on these, for some reason they don't show how to actually hook this up, which I find really annoying. So I'm going to show you this one piece here. I mean, the rest of this is just screw in, so I mean, it makes sense, but this is not as intuitive as one might like to think. So what you do, and this is the easiest way I found to do it, was just basically screw it on like this. Put this little guy, this little guy, this actually comes with a kit by the way. Put that on there, and then you can just kind of screw it in place. It's actually pretty easy to do. And then let it kind of come up like this, pull it back, and there you go. Let's check it out. Easy peasy, ready to go. So there you go. All right, folks, that's it. That's the Vevor Buffer Polisher. The neat thing about this thing that I think you really should take away from this is that it is capable of buffing, polishing, grinding. It has the Dremel attachment, which, you know, we all can use and love, because I'm sure you probably have a million uses for this. I know we do over in here, oddly enough. But that's actually a really, really big deal, because that's all in one very tiny compact unit. It's about half the size of your normal bench grinder that you would have in your shop, and the cost is way, way more affordable. The brushless motor and everything, this thing just rules. Um, no having to switch out any brushes or any of that garbage later on. Needless to say, a very, very good tool. And it seems very dependable and very reliable and very strong. So those are all the things I think we look for in a tool, especially if we're trying to spend a little bit of cash, but we also need something that really works good. This thing's going to do it. So long story made short, we're going to leave some links down in the description down below. Definitely go ahead and click on those, check it out. If you do decide to buy something through those, it does help the channel out, help support us on trying to make these kinds of videos for you. So please definitely click on those links. Otherwise, just wanted to say thank you for watching. Definitely like, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon for all of our newest woodworking videos and tool reviews. In the meantime, stay safe in that shop.